No.
See,
How?
I'm showing. I'm demonstrating.
No,
You can.
Where is
Way
the
how to
Tarsier?
feed.
Where is the Tarsier?
This is your favorite.
Where is the Tarsier?
Maybe you don't want to say it.
Okay. Then let me stand on the other side. Okay.
Yeah, this is your favorite.
Yeah.
This is the cricket or favorite
Good.
food.
Yeah. Okay. Start.
Hi, we are now at one of the. We are now at one of the Sabayan Peak Tarsier Sanctuary. We'll demonstrate to you how to feed a Tarsier. This is one of the staple food for Tarsier. He or she likes to eat this kind of insects. And now I will approach closely to the Tarsier, and I'm hoping that he or she will come and grab the insect. Now you can see he snatched the insect with his hand and is eating.
Step forward.
And that concludes our video presentation of how to feed a Tarsier. Selamat. Thank you.
Okay.